I'm going to be doing a demonstration of this new product I just bought. This is the Mohawk hard fill kit. Let me open it up here, get the instructions out of the way. But basically it comes with all of your hard fills, ranging from all the way from black to white. You've got 3 fine brush tip markers. I think they're light to dark, pretty much. Honey Spice. There's one called Honey Spice. There's dark perfect brown, and there's a raw umber. So you got a light, a medium, and a dark. Then you've got your card scraper, which is good for scraping it off. And then you've got your plastic scraper, just for getting the wax off. You see I've already used it a little bit, as you'll see in the video. And this is for scraping the wax off afterwards. Doesn't mar your finish, which is great. And then lastly but not least, comes with the actual soldering iron that you heat your wax up with, and comes with the batteries to supply that. I didn't know that before I ripped out my own personal batteries and put them in there, but it does come with batteries. Comes with an extra tip, and also comes with this little handy tool to change them out. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, and I'll show you how we use this tool. And I'll just say this is not only used for furniture people. If you do Mohawk flooring or any flooring in general, hardwood floors, great touch-up kit. If you do cabinetry, a great touch-up kit. If there's a purpose you think it might work, it probably will. So feel free to reach out to us, leave any comments if you got any questions about it. Otherwise, let's jump right in and see how we went about using this and how it worked out. Thank y'all so much for watching. As you see, this tool is very versatile. It's quick, it's easy, and it gets the job done on, like I said, furniture repairs, flooring repairs, cabinet repairs, you name it. You could probably use this to fill a defect in a marred wood surface. So it's got a lot of different capabilities and uses. I'll put a link in the description of our video where you can find it. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out, let us know in the comments section. Other than that, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. That'll help others find our video. And if you want to see future videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see y'all later.